Hello and welcome to a demo video by Appscrip.com. In this video, I will be showing you the website that comes along with Karry, and I'll be going to the various functions of the website and onto the book a ride function as well. So basically, this is the website that comes as a part of Karry, and it's a WordPress site, so we will create it and we give you the credentials to WordPress so that you can edit the content and the images and change it to whatever you want. And we do have a lot of functionality in the website, so I will just go through it page by page. Now, on our first page, we have links to your applications on the Play Store and the App Store, and we have a contact form as well. And all these pictures are from Karry as well. So when you click on our cities, you can sort of display the different cities that you work in or that the app works in. So we currently have 4 cities. There's Bangalore, Mumbai, Atlanta, and Singapore. So you have full freedom to change the text, the pictures, and all these pages. And under About Us, you can show a couple of pictures and some content on the history of the application. And now coming to the Join as a Driver page. Now this is one of the really cool functions that we have. So we sort of have a driver sign up form. So drivers on this application can come to the website and sign up using this form. And once they sign up, you can approve them in the admin panel, and then they will be able to log into the application. So what I will do is I will quickly sign up as a driver. So you enter your name and your email ID and everything. You select your state. Enter a password. And you have to upload it to file image. And on the next page, you enter the details of your vehicle, the city, the vehicle type, the year, your vehicle make and model, color, and your details about wheelchair support and so on. The image is still uploading. And on the next page, you enter the details of your driving license, and a couple of other documents that you have. You have an expiry date on all these documents. So you can basically change these documents to whatever you need and whatever is relevant for you in your country. You can add or remove them as you please. So some of them are common to most countries like your insurance, police verification, and so on. And you enter the date. And over here, you have to enter a 4-digit verification code, which in this. So that's how you sign up as a driver. And once you sign up as a driver here, your profile is sent to the admin for approval. And once the admin approves you, the driver can sign up on the application. Then we have our partners pages, which is hospitality and corporate partners. We have a contact form. And we have a page to book a ride. Now, this is a page that is really useful to customers. So as soon as you click on book a ride, the app redirects you to the customer portal, which is customer.uberforall.com. My credentials are stored there since I've used it before. And I'm now logged into the customer profile. So in the customer portal, I can see that my wallet balance is mentioned on top, 19,200 rupees. And I have a card stored here, which is the test card from Stripe, which is our default payment gateway. And over here, I can recharge my wallet. So a wallet is sort of credit that you have on the application, and you can use this credit to book trips on the app. And it's a really useful feature. And in case of Karry, since we're using Stripe, I can enter a test card from Stripe, which is 4242 all the 4 times, and I can recharge my wallet by any amount I want. And on the right side, I can see all the transactions in the wallet. I can see the charges that have been deducted for trips, and I can see the recharge that has come into my wallet just now when I did it. And if I go to debit, I can see all the debit transactions, and in credit, all the credit transactions. So that is the wallet. Now coming to the portal, I can book a ride from this portal, and if I do want to book a ride, I click on the button on the top left hand side of the screen. I enter my pickup address, and my drop address, and as I can see, the vehicle type that is 7 minutes away is the same vehicle type that I have online on a couple of applications right now. So I'm logged into this vehicle type and online on my driver application. So I now can choose the number of seats that I would like to book. And I have preferences over here. So I can choose my preferences for a driver. I can choose a male driver or a vehicle with a bike carrier, etc. And all of these can be set from the admin panel. And I can either do the booking for myself or for someone else. And I can select a personal or a corporate profile. And I will come to this later and explain it in detail in another video. And below this, I have 3 payment methods. My payment methods are cash, card, or wallet. So in case of wallet, it is the credit that I spoke about earlier, and it is the credit that you have on the application that you can recharge with a card. If I choose my wallet payment, we sort of send a message saying that the fare may vary after the ride. And do you want to pay your excess via card or cash? Now, let's say you have a wallet balance of 20,000 rupees and the trip cost is 30,000. Then you need to select a payment method to pay the difference via card or cash. So there we go. I've filled in the details and I book my trip. Now, as soon as I book my trip, I can see that the booking has come on um, my driver application. And once I've accepted it, I can see that it comes into the ongoing bookings tab in my customer portal. Now I have three tabs over here. I have the ongoing tab, the requested tab, and the past tab. So the requested tab are bookings that have been requested, and ongoing tab is the bookings that are ongoing at this point, or that have been accepted by a driver and started, and where the driver is on the way and so on. And the past bookings are the history of the bookings. So if you look at the status, it says that the driver is on the way. And when I go back to my driver application, once I arrive at pickup, I swipe right. Now I can either use Google Maps or Waze to navigate to my drop location. And as you can see, the status has changed in the portal. It now says that the driver has arrived at the pickup location. And when I start the trip, I will swipe right. Status changed to trip started, and I get a notification on the customer portal as well. Once I complete the trip, I swipe right again. So the trip is now complete, and the customer and the driver can now rate each other. So let's say the customer wants to give the driver a rating of 4, and he can even choose to add the driver to his favorites. And a booking receipt comes by email, which I will now open for you. This is the receipt for our booking. And we also have a PDF copy down here. So the customer can now rate the driver, and all of these reasons are configured from the admin panel. So the customer has finished rating a driver, and the driver can now rate a customer as well. So the driver can submit a rating for the customer, and you can view his receipt right here, and you submit. So now that trip is complete, and that completes one of the flows of the application. Now the other methods of booking are through cash and card, both of which I will show you now. So what we initially did was a wallet booking, and as you can see, the amount has been subtracted from the total wallet balance. So I will book for myself again, and I'll do a card booking in this case. So in a card booking, I can see that a card has appeared over here, and this is a card that I've previously stored on the application, and it's the same test card that I use to recharge my wallet. So when I do a card booking, the driver gets a pop-up, and on the pop-up, the driver can see the detail. The booking type is a book now, the vehicle type is a limousine and a ride, and the driver can see the pickup and the drop location as well. And let's say he accepts it, and the driver now has to negotiate to the pickup, start the trip, and complete the trip. And after the driver has completed the trip, he can submit. And the driver and customer can rate each other again. The receipt has come via email. And the booking is now completed. So that brings us to the end of the video of the admin panel of the website and the customer portal, which is the book now page on the website. So here we go. When you click on book a ride, it takes you to the customer portal, and that's where we just completed our booking. So thank you for watching, and we will be out with more videos, particularly of the corporate section and other features of the app which we want to explain in detail. I'll now log out from my customer portal.